Yo, I'm Anthony. I got my Blue Dog shirt on. Blue Dog. Oh, hello, I'm Anthony from Blue Dog Blasting. This is the Radex. Take it away, Anthony.
Welcome to Blue Dog Blasting. It's your boy, Anthony. Shout out to Kev over there. And also, man, listen, hit the like button if you're here for the content. If you like what we're doing, drop a comment. Let us know what you want to see next. How can we improve? We're always trying to improve every single day, like you should. Shout out to Matt Kimmer. Yes, he has not abused me yet, but I promise you, I get plenty of verbal abuse when the camera's off. But why are we here today? We're here for the Radex air filter, which you can purchase at BlueDogBlasting.com. And how, more specifically, do we replace the cartridge inside of this? Okay, it's real simple. Okay, and for the sake of time, I'll try to do this as quick as possible, as not to waste your time. Step one in replacing your Radex air filter is going to be to disconnect your breathing air lines from the top here on these quick connects. The next thing you're going to do, take out the 4 bolts that you have here. Once you remove the bolts, you're going to take the lid off. It's very important that you pay attention to the condition of the gasket on the inside of the top of the lid. Okay, you'll need your filter sealed and so it can function. After you remove the lid, the next thing you're going to do is remove your old filter. Okay, safely discard of your filter. I wouldn't, depending on what you're blasting, don't try to do anything funny with this, like make a beatboxing machine out of it or nothing like that. Put it somewhere where you can dispose of it safely. I'm going to put this right here. Is this in the way?
Nope.
Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your new air filter cartridge. Okay. Make sure when it arrives to you that it is sealed to cell capacity. If you get it from us, which we hope you do, but if you don't, we're happy you're here. It's okay. If you get it from us, make sure it's sealed. It will come in a box, a bag in a box, and sealed 2 times. And before you put in your new cartridge, I should have got to that, also check the gasket on the body of the Radex air filter. If that thing is coming out or it's missing or something like that, it may be time to get a new one. So what you're going to do is, on the front of your Radex air filter, after you put your new one back in, you're going to put a fresh date on this sticker in the front. And all those stickers are replaceable or renewable or whatnot, so you can get a fresh sticker, 3 months from now or 400 hours, which one ever comes first. Now, after you put the sticker on the front, you'll take your lid, make sure your gasket's on there, line it up with the 4 holes here on the side, grab your 14 millimeter socket and your ratchet tool here, grab a bolt, pop it in, and tighten it up. It's that simple. Okay? So, again, as always, try to make this quick this time. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching our video today. Please leave a comment. I appreciate the comment and the feedback. We appreciate you guys. The only other thing I have to say is get out there and blast, right?
Get out there and blast!